Getting started with HelloTalk speech recognition.
HelloTalk is a language learning app with a speech recognition feature that helps you practice pronunciation. Activating this tool allows you to receive instant feedback on your spoken language. In this guide, we'll show you how to turn on speech recognition and adjust its settings so you can speak with greater confidence and accuracy.
Activating speech recognition in HelloTalk.
To enable speech recognition, open the HelloTalk app and navigate to a chat or practice area. Tap the microphone icon next to the text input field. Grant HelloTalk permission to access your device's microphone if prompted. Once enabled, you can start speaking, and the app will convert your voice to text, allowing you to review your pronunciation.
Fine-tuning speech recognition settings.
For the best results, access HelloTalk settings by tapping your profile icon and selecting Settings. Look for speech recognition or voice input options. Here, you can choose your target language, adjust the recognition sensitivity, and set pronunciation preferences. Regularly updating these settings ensures more accurate feedback tailored to your language goals.
Best practices for accurate pronunciation.
Speak clearly and at a moderate pace for optimal speech recognition in HelloTalk. Minimize background noise and use headphones with a built-in microphone if possible. Practicing in a quiet environment will help the app distinguish your words, leading to more accurate feedback and smoother progress as you improve your language skills.
Making the most of speech recognition in HelloTalk.
Use speech recognition regularly to track your pronunciation improvements over time. Review the converted text for errors, and compare it with native speaker models within the app. Engaging with HelloTalk's language partners helps reinforce correct pronunciation and boosts your confidence. Keep experimenting with different settings for the best personalized experience.